Welcome to another segment of Lousje and Bean Behind the Scene. It's Sunday. Welcome, lovelies. Well, this is not my home and it's not my garden. I promised a garden walk. It's not just so the way I want to show it to you. So instead of the garden walk, we're going to do a store walk. We haven't done it in a while. It's been a year since we did the renos and the boutique looks absolutely stunning. We've got so many beautiful displays and pieces. So I wanted to start outside because I want to show you this beauty. We really wanted to simplify the outside so we didn't have to water and do all kinds of maintenance. So this beautiful urn is our centerpiece. It's right next door to the entrance. And we don't have sun here, so we planted impatiens and this lovely potato vine which is going rampant. We do have to water this because it's under the overhang, but that's okay. The girls do a great job every day. They give it a little drink. The rest is ivy and little cedars, and we are just thrilled to have it the way it is because it's green, it's alive, it looks beautiful, and it's no maintenance whatsoever. Okay, lovelies, follow me. We're gonna go into the boutique. Welcome. It's amazing how it all transformed. We are proud of it and we absolutely love it. And we get a lot of compliments of women that walk through the door and say, wow, this is beautiful, but also it has a very welcoming feeling, and that's what we try to create. So let's start from the beginning. So lovelies, first of all, Tessa is the one that collected all these beautiful display pieces. They're not official displays, store displays, which this is what creates this special atmosphere. They're all unique. There's a bottom of an old sewing machine. This is our sock door, sock chest. And it's unique, it's got a different special wood, it's on industrial wheels. And so the sock displays, when you just come in, we have our many tops from Lousje and Bean, which are displayed on this rack. Here is the sewing machine table with the bead stackers and the shoe collection, and the talus earrings and bracelets are also on this display, and also this gorgeous jewelry from Pursuit from Toronto. So Lousje and Bean on the left here. And the displays are, Colleen did a great job always with the mannequins and the displays. And Kate is back, so she took over and everything looks absolutely stunning, smashing. And we have so many beautiful pieces, oh my goodness. Oh, one of my favorites here, a yellow bar from Israel. So beautiful display, lots of little earrings, necklaces, a few rings and the bracelets. And then of course Skin Sisters, the leather line from Argentina, very colorful. And this is also a piece that Tessa picked up. It's a credenza, it wasn't this color, she painted it. And I love it. It does the job beautifully. So look at this display. Oh my goodness, it's so stylish, fashionable. We have this plant, oh my goodness, for 20 years, well 19. We had it when we opened up the boutique on James Street. It was gifted to us and the pot was gifted to us. It's gorgeous and it's thriving. Look at all the flowers. This is my couch from my home, my former home. I'm so happy that we have it here because I love this piece. It's a piece that I picked up from a thrift store. It didn't look like this at all. I stained the wood and I had it here upholstered, and yeah, it always did me well. It just didn't fit with the pieces that we had to put together with Clan's pieces. And then Tessa said, let's put it in the boutique, and I'm so happy it's still here. So, and then this gorgeous chair, oh my goodness, I love it, also from a thrift store. This was given to Tessa by her friends. I love this, old-fashioned Judy. They found it by the garbage and they thought of Tessa and myself and they gifted it to us. So that's wonderful. So we have a lot of plants always, which we have at our home too, and that's what we like, right? We love the way the windows are here with all the wrought iron work inside and outside. And then here's another beautiful piece that Tessa thrifted. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's got such a rustic look, and it carries our Sericlio line, which we have quite a collection right now. And as you can see, it's displayed beautiful. We had these made and they certainly do the job. Here are little jewelry holders that you can put your jewelry in when you go on a trip. Another gorgeous plant. Wow, this one is doing amazing. Colleen is the plant lady. And I'm not in every day anymore. I used to always look after the plants, but she took over. She does a fabulous job. So Charlie's little bed, and he's in there, or he's on the couch, or he is hiding in a dark place when it's a hot day, which it is today. He's probably hiding somewhere underneath clothing in the back. So this is what Tessa all put up when we did the renos. She did such an amazing job. I still look around and I think, how did this happen? Of course, our beautiful display of scarves from Sydney. And let's go in this aisle and see what we have here. So as you know, we have a sale going on. Our summer sale has started somewhat, and the items are here. Beautiful, still some beautiful pieces left. Alembica, Kirschan and Brahm. We have so many beautiful lines. I'm wearing a dress from the new line that we brought in. It's known. It's from Europe. And yeah, I love it. Look at this dress. How can you not love it? An everyday dress, a dress that you can wear to parties. You could even wear it to a casual wedding. Very simple lines, which I love. Nice little rounded neckline. And the sleeves are, it's cute. They put in this pleat so that it gives it a little flare. And they did the same thing at the bottom here. They put in a little pleat, a little tuck, so that it's not just all straight, right? And this is the beauty of these designs. So it also comes in a gray, and it also came in these beautiful tunics. Let's go. Here we have a little bit of Siska hearts, just a little sprinkling, because we have lots more. Lots of beautiful linen. And then we come to the front again. And here is our scarf wall. Oh my goodness, too many to choose from, really. It's an array of beauty. We have some fine linen, we have some silken linen, we have some chiffon. These are the fine wool from Cami. A beautiful checkout counter where one of our lovely ladies, either Colleen or Kate or Sarah, will check you out. And we have our plant wall, which we also have had for many years. And the plants stay, well, they still look very good, but they get fresh water. The pot needs to be cleaned every few weeks. They get fresh water, and then they're good again for a few weeks. Oh, Anne-Marie Chagnon, how can I say more? I absolutely adore. I'm wearing a ring of hers, a bracelet, and I have Siska earrings and a majestic necklace. But look at these. Oh, I would be happy to own each piece, and I would feel like the queen. So please check our website. They're all on the website, and hopefully you can visit the boutique. We would really love that. So lovelies, let's go a little bit walk again. And this is our latest top from Saruka. What an amazing display. This little beauty Tessa picked up on the marketplace. It was not this color, she painted it, she did the gold, and it just transformed in this wow piece. And Kate did an amazing job with all the bags from Saruka. And as you know, we carried it before. It's an amazing line. It's all recycled leather, repurposed, and these are new. We carried most of these, but these are new. And already we've sold quite a few because they're unique and lovely. What can I say about our Siska PlayStation? I call this, because it definitely is a PlayStation. This is the Bliss line. All these different chords, you can purchase a chord, then you can go and play with all these beats and make your own ensemble, different combinations. I mean, it's definitely it's a PlayStation. Our jeans line, we carry the Liverpool jeans and the Yoga jeans, lots of jackets always, quite an assortment of jeans. The shirts, basic button-down shirts in blue, pale pink, pale blue, white of course. The scarves, the wraps, lots of scarves. Oh my goodness, we are known for our scarves, that's for sure. This is where we keep all of our sweaters. Let's have a little turn here and show you where we have our lovely fitting homes and a display of all our scarves, which are so popular. Very private fitting homes, which was a big part of our reno. We wanted to make it more private for you. So you have a mirror in each fitting home, and then when you come out of the fitting home, there's this gorgeous big mirror that you can check yourself out with a little bit more room around you, and you can really check yourself out. So c'est moi. A big part of our boutique, all the basics here, leggings, little biker shorts, and of course the camis and the long sleeve and the short sleeve t-shirts. So we're coming to the end, lovelies, and I will end here. Another gorgeous display of Siska. It is one of our main jewelry lines. We sell a lot of it. Why? Because we love it so much, and you do too. And then some more Saruka bags, these beautiful ones that you are carrying every day with you if you have one. I have one, it's always with me. And the majestic necklace is also very popular, very affordable, and so much fun. And lastly, this is our sale area. And yeah, it's been a lovely year with our new renos. We feel very comfortable. We are used to everything. And we are so happy we did it and that you stood by us, and you tell us all the time that you like it too when you come in. Please come in. If you haven't been yet, make the trip. It's right off the highway, Welland Avenue in St. Catharines. So lovelies, just to recap, last week was orange. I had a lot of fun styling everything. I hope you liked it as well, I'm sure you did. And did you see the reel? Please watch. It's on Instagram. And if you have not supported the YWCA drive that we are running, please consider. It's a great cause. $25 for the ladies. Personal hygiene little bag with lots of items in it. It's a small bag, but it's stuffed with items. And $25 you will pay, but you will get in return a $25 coupon to be spent in the boutique at a later date. This was a different Lousje on the couch talk. This was a Lousje walk. I will do my garden walk soon when I feel it's appropriate to show it to you. Okay, lovelies, enjoy your Sunday, and as always, keep on smiling.